Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. All the links you're going to need are in the video description. So last week we was looking for this downwards move. I'm going to go over last week quickly and then we're going to jump into a full analysis on gold on a higher time frame for this week. I haven't done it yet, so I'm just going to do it like I normally would on this video. So last week we was expecting this continuation down from here, which is the start of the week. We got that from the opening. A lot of people missed this news. So after this big downwards move, we is looking for a reversal to up to this level and take the buy side liquidity. We got a buy from here on this day. This was Tuesday. We got a buy from here to take this buy side liquidity on Wednesday, and we got another buy from here on the retest of this manipulation area here. That was towards the upside, and the final target was 2,350. As you can see here, we hit on Friday. So even if you missed this big downwards move, you had a lot of opportunities within this price action here. Now, we're going to get rid of these arrows and go on to this week's forecast. So we're going to go to the higher time frame. We'll start off at the daily just to get you a full understanding on what's going on. Then we're going to tidy it up a bit. So what we're seeing at the moment is last week we got the reversal. Good start of a downwards move. So this week we'll be looking for a continuation down. So we have a bullish manipulation candle here in grey. You can see we got that reversal last week. But when you go down to the smaller time frame, you can see the upwards movement from that area was a kind of retracement sort of price action. So there wasn't much volume in the move. It was just creating liquidity, collecting it, and slowly moving up towards the bullish side. And we finished the week retesting this area here, which is being used as a breaker. So if you follow ICT, this would be your breaker because that's your impulse move up. This is your consolidation, and then this is your fake out and impulse move down. So this is a higher time frame manipulation area. This is your breakout for the upwards move. And this would be seen as a retest for a continuation down. So this week you're looking for a clear continuation down to break this manipulation area here. So we can tidy this up a bit more. We don't really need these anymore. So we're focusing on the bearish move, targeting this sell side liquidity here from last week mainly first. So you're looking to take the previous weekly low, which is here at 2,290. Then we're likely to break this consolidation area over here. Go back to the higher time frame. So once we broke that, we can look to target this area here. So this is the next low, which formed this bullish manipulation area, and then we have the monthly opening of April here. So that would be your next target. So that would be that level there. We can get rid of that grey area. And we can put an extra target on around there. So these are your main targets for the sell. You have your previous weekly low. You have the low below this bullish manipulation area. So that'd be a key previous low to aim for. And then you have the monthly opening, which is the key level. So you have 2,292 and then 2,267 and then 2,243. And that's all stemming from the retest of this area. So let me just see if I can view it a bit better. Get rid of these period separators off. No, you can only view it from here. So what this is, the story so far, this is the start of the reversal, impulse move down. Then you get the retracement, which creates liquidity, comes back up to the key area they started selling from. This creates liquidity. This is your fake out, which creates the buy side liquidity, then gives them an opportunity to start selling from their original area. So they're loading up on sell orders. That's why then you got that big impulse move down. Comes down to a manipulation area, which is an ideal area to start a retracement. Price comes up. They've already got sell orders from up here, so they don't need to go all the way back up. They just take it from the next manipulation area. So on the smaller time frame, they would have had buy orders here, which now they can exchange for sell orders. As you can see here, they faked out to the downside and then started the upwards move. So these were buy orders. So as they come back up to that, they're exchange it again and switch them for sell orders, which would mean a nice impulse move down once again. So they'll be layering up on their sell orders. And on the higher time frame, if you've been following me for the last few weeks, you will know we are aiming for a long way down. You have a couple of key levels. Let me just put on the period separator so I know what I'm aiming for. It's on the daily. So this area down here, so this was the start of March, instant push to the upside, carried on pushing to the upside. So this is like a big extension. So on the higher time frame, you're looking for a big move down, targeting this area first, but then targeting this big consolidation area down here. That's what I'm aiming for on the higher time frame. You're currently seeing a reversal take place on the smaller time frame, which is good. But as most of you know, you have to have the smaller time frame targets too, so you don't always lose, so you take partials along the way. So these are your smaller time frame targets for the week in blue, and these would be your higher time frame targets, which are the grey area and then this area down here. So that's my plan for the higher time frame. We're just focusing on that downwards move. Yeah, let's just see if I've got anything else to say. No. I'll be focusing on the bearish move. Open to take Friday's high first. That's a possibility. We might take that high first, then start the reversal. If not, we're likely to just retest this area, then start the reversal to the downside. But I don't expect to go any higher than this weekly opening here at 2,357. Just seeing this as a retracement, retesting this area before a continuation down. So hopefully that all makes sense. If it don't, and you're quite new to trading, feel free to message me. All my links are in the video description. Hopefully you made some profit from my free Telegram group, free Telegram channel, which is in the links below. I put out some information last week in a voice note to give you a bit more understanding on how to trade Thursday and Friday with the GDP news and PCE news. So hopefully that made you a bit more profit than it normally would. So yeah, focusing on the downwards move. I've talked enough. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good week. And goodbye.